Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 25. How does the flat correction in a downtrend looks like? The answer is, it is a three-wave correction to the upside. It is important to notice A is 3 waves, and B is also 3 waves, where C is a 5 waves in the flat correction.
Quote number 19. Mark Douglas said, "If you can learn to create a state of mind that is not affected by the market's behavior, the struggle will cease to exist." This is the perfect trading code for highlighting the importance of being a detached trader. Do not give in to the pressure the market puts on you. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.